Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting releases from Harley Davidson for 2025, the Harley Davidson Breakout 117. This cruiser is all about power, style, and that signature Harley experience. So, let's take a closer look at what makes the Breakout 117 stand out from the crowd. Its design aesthetics bold and sleek. First up, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Breakout 117 carries forward the iconic look of the Breakout series, but with a more aggressive stance. With its stretched out, long profile and wide rear tire, it has an unmistakable presence on the road. Harley Davidson has refined the details with a cleaner finish, more chrome accents, and a choice of striking paint options. Whether you're into the traditional chrome or a more matte finish, the 117 has a version that will turn heads. Engine performance: the power of the 117 cubic inch engine. Now, let's get to what really matters: performance. The 2025 Breakout is powered by the Milwaukee 8 117 engine, which means you're getting 1923 cc of pure muscle. This engine delivers 125 lb-ft of torque, making the Breakout 117 an absolute powerhouse. Whether you're cruising down the highway or pulling out of a stoplight, you'll feel the raw power immediately. The 117 engine provides smooth, consistent acceleration, and thanks to Harley's engineering, the ride remains buttery smooth even at higher speeds. Handling: ride comfort, a cruiser built for the long haul. When it comes to comfort, the Breakout 117 doesn't disappoint. The low-slung profile offers excellent stability, while the suspension is tuned for a smooth ride, perfect for those long cruising sessions. The 49mm front forks and the rear twin-shock suspension work in harmony to absorb bumps without sacrificing the performance you crave. It's a cruiser built for comfort, with a rider-focused design that ensures you stay comfortable even on extended rides. Technology features modern touches for the classic cruiser. Even though the Breakout 117 pays homage to Harley's classic heritage, it's packed with modern technology. The bike comes with a full-color TFT display, which provides you with all the necessary ride information: speed, gear position, fuel economy, and more right at your fingertips. Additionally, with advanced rider assistance systems like ABS and cruise control, Harley ensures that you have a safe and enjoyable ride, no matter where the road takes you. Customization, personalization make it yours. One of the best parts about owning a Harley is the endless possibilities for customization. And the 2025 Breakout 117 is no exception. Whether you want to change the handlebars, upgrade the exhaust, or give your ride a personal touch with custom wheels, Harley offers a wide range of parts and accessories. The Breakout 117 is essentially a canvas for you to make it truly your own. Conclusion: is the 2025 Harley Davidson Breakout 117 worth it? To wrap it up, the 2025 Harley Davidson Breakout 117 is a remarkable cruiser that blends style, performance, and comfort in one aggressive package. With its powerful 117 engine, sleek design, and advanced features, it's clear that Harley has built something truly special. If you're looking for a bike that delivers both thrills and elegance, the Breakout 117 might just be the ride you've been waiting for. So, what do you think of the 2025 Harley Davidson Breakout 117? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews. Thanks for watching.